Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, in any event, occasion, holiday, people always go shopping online and designers rush to make their designs on the best-selling items like t-shirts and hoodies. However, it's better for you to make also your designs on other best-selling items with lower competition. And when speaking about occasions and holidays, I will mention today in this video Father's Day, as nowadays it's a current time. And for Father's Day, what are the best-selling items concerning print on demand? In the first place, mugs and pint glasses, wallets, hats, tumblers, can coolers, and t-shirts. And of course, you will find these products in platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Zazzle. So in this video, I would like to talk about Zazzle.com, how to find these products and how to make your designs on. So let's begin with mugs. So here on homepage of Zazzle.com, just to go to this one, search for products, or just you can go to create, okay? And blank products, view all. And there we can go to this category, mugs, okay? So go to this one, mugs. And there you will find a good variety of mugs for making your awesome products, okay? So you can begin with this one, okay, classic mug. So how to put your design here on your mug? Go to add image, okay, upload image, and upload your design with transparent PNG, like this one. Drag and drop, okay. So you have to put your designs on the both sides of your mug, as you see, in the left side and the right side, perfectly. Copy, paste another copy in the other side, as you see, perfectly. You'll find here in this preview your design on both sides of your mug for Father's Day, okay? Just done, okay, and select to put your details like title, description, tags, and so on. And of course, I have talked about how to make your designs and your products show up in higher in search results. You'll find this video below in the first comment. So the first product today is mugs, okay? And now let's move on to the next product for today, that is hats. So create again, view all, and here in this category, clothing and accessories, you'll find hats to make your awesome Father's Day gifts, okay? As you see, a bunch of beautiful hats. So we can select this one, okay, or trucker hat, like this one, for example. And in the same process, add image, as you see, your awesome designs to make your beautiful product perfectly, okay, and done. Well, and as for making pint glasses and can coolers, simply can go to this one, view all products, to transfer your design to these products, or you can repeat this process from create, okay? So we can try this one, view all products, click over that, and for searching for pint glasses, go to this category, okay, home, sports and games, and view all, and here you will find can colors to make your design. Okay, and as for pint glasses, come here to the search bar and type here pint glasses and something like that, and enter, and here you will find pint glasses, pint pair glasses. Okay, and here you can put your design as simple as you see. Just add image, as you see. Awesome product, and as a Father's Day gift. Okay, and you can find in the preview how awesome it is. As you see here, a fantastic pint glass, perfectly. And for sure you can add your design on other products like wallets and so on in the same process. And for sure you have to apply this technique and this strategy in any event, any occasion, in any holiday, and go through all less competitive products. And it's even better when you promote them on social media, because they would be more remarkable and distinguishable among all other common products. Because not all customers search for t-shirts and hoodies only, but also you can search for mugs, hats, wallets, and so on. And it gives you more chances to get more sales in Zazzle, Redbubble, Amazon, Etsy, and so on. And now I'm gonna offer you a fantastic bonus, that is some lists of keywords and the sentences people are searching for regarding Father's Day in the most famous print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Uncommon Goods, Coffee Press, and so on. Therefore, you will find a lot of opportunities to make your designs and more sales. For example, this list, okay, here you will find the most searching keywords sentences in a lot of print-on-demand platforms, as I said before, Etsy, Redbubble, and so on, like Cool Daddy Deep, Happy Dad Nick, Happy Dad Seltzer, okay, I love Daddy, Dad Comic Book, Laughing at Dad Jokes. As you see, you will find a lot and more of keywords people are searching for in Redbubble, Amazon, Etsy, and a lot of these platforms. And of course you can use these keywords as main keyword of your design in title, description, and tags. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.